Well, others in the INDI bloc assigned their own reasons to the notification. Akhilesh Yadav and Manikam Tagore alleged that it was an attempt to take attention away from the scathing rap that Supreme Court gave SBI over electoral bond issue, while Sanjay Raut saw it as a compensatory measure to missing Ram Leher.
Mr. Modi is losing. He is going to be below 220. Therefore, he is trying to polarize it. The last weapon is CAA rules, and to divert from the real issue of electoral bonds, in which the Supreme Court of India slapped the SBI, and today they are asked them to submit the details. It's a diversionary tactics. We know that India's real issues are different.
आसाम में 85 में जो आसाम एकॉर्ड हुआ था, इसका मुताबिक हमने जितना जिम्मेदारी लेना चाहिए था इतना जिम्मेदारी लिया। वो भी कहा को हम नहीं मानेगा, शिकार आसाम को भी नहीं करेगा। हमारा 16 पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का जो अलायंस है, हम लोग सब मिल के इस कहा को काल से पूरा अपोज करेगा। कोर्ट में भी हम फाइट करेगा, रूट में भी फाइट करेगा। Definitely, you see, Congress will, people of Assam will give befitting reply to BJP in the ballot box.
5 साल निकल गए, अब चुनाव है, तो अब ये सब करके हिंदू मुसलमान करेंगे, भारत पाकिस्तान करेंगे, भारत बांग्लादेश करेंगे। ये खेल, आखिरी खेल उनका चल रहा है। चलने दो, लागू होने दो। 370 भी हटाया, क्या किया कश्मीर में? कश्मीरी पंडित आ गए घर में। ये खेल करते रहते हैं लोग। बोला ना 370 हटा के, अभी 370 हमने हटा दिया है। ये कांग्रेस को नहीं जमा, हमने किया। कश्मीरी पंडित आ गए नहीं। पीओ के आ गया, लाने वाले थे नहीं। लद्दाख में चीन घुस गया, बाहर निकाला नहीं निकाला है। अभी जब तक चुनाव है तब तक सीए खेलेंगे, खेलने दो।
All right, let's open this up and go across to our guests. We have Anuja Kapoor, BJP spokesperson, and Saif Khan, Congress leader, on the broadcast with us. Good morning to both of you. Saif Khan, is there fear-mongering happening? Because time and again the government is clarifying कि ये जो CAA है, ये किसी की नागरिकता छीनने वाला नहीं, बल्कि ऐसे लोगों को नागरिकता देने वाला कानून है जिन पर धर्म के आधार पर अत्याचार किया हो. They are non-Muslims, but then they were minorities in the countries where they were prosecuted, चाहे अफगानिस्तान हो, पाकिस्तान हो, बांग्लादेश. तो इनको नागरिकता देने में क्या गलत है?
नहीं, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर्टिकल 14 के अगेंस्ट है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर्टिकल 15 के अगेंस्ट है। मैं पढ़ के सुना देता हूं कि आर्टिकल 14 क्या कहता है और आर्टिकल 15 क्या कहता है। 15 ये कहता है कि कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो है हम रिलीजन के तौर के ऊपर जो है या कास्ट के तौर के ऊपर जो है नहीं कर सकते हैं। ये हमारी जब आर्टिकल के अगेंस्ट है तो आप ये ऐसा जो है कानून कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं। दूसरी चीज जो है और सबसे बड़ी बात जो है, इसको रोहिंग्यास को क्यों एक्सक्लूड किया गया? क्या रोहिंग्यास में क्या मुस्लिम्स नहीं है? जब रोहिंग्यास के ऊपर अत्याचार हुआ था और इंडिया ने गेट खोले थे और रेफ्यूजीज आए थे, तो 2019 में तकरीबन 40,000 से ज्यादा रोहिंग्या जो है हमारे देश में जो प्रेजेंट हैं, क्या करेंगे? उनको क्या वापस भेज देंगे? क्योंकि वो मुस्लिम्स हैं, इसके ऊपर जो है, इसकी वजह से उनको क्या वापस भेज दिया जाएगा? अब क्या उनको नागरिकता दी जाएगी? क्योंकि इसमें, इस आर्टिकल में सीएए जो ये बनाया गया है और वो भी पोलराइज करने के लिए, इसमें मुस्लिम्स का तो नाम ही नहीं है। मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या प्रावधान जो है
आप कर रहे हैं, अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश, वहां पर जो माइनॉरिटीज हैं वो नॉन मुस्लिम्स हैं।
उसमें मुस्लिम्स अगर कोई घर वापसी करना चाहेगा क्यों नहीं आ पाएगा? क्या वो सीएए एक्ट में आएगा?
अनुजा जी प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
और जो ऑलरेडी रोहिंग्यास हमारे देश में जो है 40,000 जो है, उनको क्या करेंगे?
Okay, take a response.
2019 में,
अब
तो 2024 में कितनी आबादी उनकी अगर बढ़ चुकी हो?
Swati ji, Jai Shri Ram, good morning to my panelists and to the viewers. I would applaud the decision taken by Modi ji's government. That can only be possible in Modi ji's government because for 70 years, Congress could not do that, and they pinpointed and poked BJP. Sir,
100 people died.
Allow me to speak.
Okay, Mr. Khan, let her respond.
CPIM and Congress in
And you're
2012 and
applauding the
2015
government. 100
demanded
लोग मर चुके हैं.
citizenship to the
750
granted to
किसान मर चुके हैं
Bangladesh.
रोड के ऊपर जो है.
Sir, you were not interrupted when you were speaking, तो allow her to speak. उनको मौका दीजिए अपनी बात रखने का, please.
This shows that what I'm going to say, and he thinks that I'm saying which is right. That is why he's opposing me again here. So CPIM and Congress in 2012 and 2015 demanded citizenship to be granted to the Bangladeshi Hindu minorities in India, and especially to non-Muslims. So these are the same people who are now opposing it. First, they asked for it. Now they opposed. Gandhiji also wanted CAA. At that time in 1950, Nehruji was also asking for it. Sir, please allow me to speak. You have given a lot of your time. We are talking about CA is an MNSC, and it was given a 5 years cooling off period so that the people could digest it first. And that is what we
No,
have
but
seen
Anuja, the
protest.
amendment was
And
challenged
there is-
before the Supreme Court in 2020. Please also respond to the specific points made by Mr. Saif. He's saying that this is violative Article 14 and 15. और आप खुद lawyer हैं, आप समझती हैं कानून. Please respond to those specific points that he's raising.
This is not a discrimination. It was never a discrimination. An asylum was already been granted to the hundreds and thousands of Rohingyas and Muslims and in lakhs and Afghanis. This is a citizenship for those people who are being religiously persecuted in the Islamic border countries. They are not the minorities there, sir. Muslims are not the minorities in Afghanistan, in Bangladesh, and in Afghanistan. These are the people who are the minorities who are
Okay.
wanting to come back home.
Okay.
And I think this is the MNSC which is following. This
Okay,
is
quick
the
rebuttal
country who talks
rebuttal
about-
from Mr. Khan. Also, it applies to individuals, Mr. Khan, who came to India before 2014, December 31st, 2014. Please respond.
See, firstly, like what Bharatiya Janata Party or the spokesperson is saying right now, she did not respond to the Article 14 and 15. She said
There is nothing to respond, sir, on Article
because they
14.
are minorities.
Sorry, don't.
I'm asking about how can
I
there
would
be a
only say
discrimination?
to the Muslims
How can there be a
out here
discrimination
who are
against
listening,
in terms of
please
religion?
don't fall
How
in
can
the
you give a
trap.
discrimination? This is
Don't
not.
fall in the
See,
trap
listen to
of
me.
this
Listen to me.
political Congress leader.
Listen to me.
They are trying to
You did not
disrupt-
answer.
they are
You did
trying
not
to
respond to the
disrupt
Article
the
15.
peace
Let me
of
read
India.
out to you what
Hindus-
Article 15 is all
Hindus
about.
need this.
The
That
state
all
shall
the
not
Hindu
discriminate
minorities,
against
the Sikh,
any
the Jain, the
citizen
Buddhist,
on the
Christian,
grounds
and
of
the
religion.
Parsis. They
That is
need Indian
on the place of
citizenship.
birth,
They need
sex,
Indian
or
citizenship.
religion. That is
This
what the
very
Article 15
sad.
is all
Okay.
about.
Congress
Okay.
is playing their games.
All
Congress
right.
is playing
All
their
right.
game once
Anuja
again.
Kapoor and Saif Khan, for the moment,
Absolutely.
thank you
This
very
is-
much. Thank you very much
this
for
is
joining us.
just
That's
the
all that we have
polarization.
for the debate. Thank you for joining us with your perspective.